Some jackets you wear once and forget. This one becomes part of how you move through the world. Morning coffee, long day at the office.
That video, right there. I didn't open a single editor to make it. No CapCut, no Premiere, no timeline, no dragging clips around. All I did was drop 3 photos into a folder, fill in a text file, and type 4 words. And an automated pipeline ran. Generated cinematic video from each photo, built the composition, added the text animations, mixed the voiceover, and dropped a finished MP4 in my PC. Automatically. And here's what makes this different from every other AI video tool you've seen. This isn't built for one thing. Change one file, and this exact pipeline makes a music promo, a property tour, a restaurant reel. I'll show you that trick at the end. If you've ever made a product video for your business, you know what this looks like. You're in an editor, dragging clips, adjusting timing, adding music, rendering, watching it back, fixing things. One video, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And every video looks slightly different because you made each one manually. No consistency, no brand system. Now multiply that by 10 products, or 20. This video is about solving that problem, permanently. I've built a starter pack for this video, link in the pinned comment. It's a zip file. Unzip it, Assets folder, Output folder, a config file, and a Claude.md. 2 files to understand. The config file is yours. You fill it in. Every product gets its own config, few lines updated, nothing else. The Claude.md is not yours to touch. It carries the full pipeline, 8 steps, and Claude Code reads it automatically the moment you open the project folder. You never open it, you never edit it, it just works. One file for your content, one file for the system. They never interfere. Now, 3 things to install. First, the Claude desktop app. Switch into Claude Code mode, then set your project folder to the starter pack. Claude Code reads the Claude.md immediately. The pipeline is loaded. First tool, Higgsfield. Create an account. Open the MCP and CLI tab. Higgsfield gives you 2 connection options. MCP is for one-off generations in Claude Chat. CLI is what we're using, built for agents running automatic batch jobs. Faster, and it's what makes this automation work at scale. Copy the first CLI command. Paste it into Claude Code. Say yes to permissions. Installs automatically. Second command. Connects your Higgsfield account via browser. Sign in. 5 seconds. Done. Third command. Loads the Higgsfield skills into Claude Code. From this point, Claude Code calls your Higgsfield account directly. No switching tabs. Second tool. HyperFrames. This assembles the actual video. Text animations, transitions, branding, audio mix. Open source, completely free. Paste the install command from the pinned comment into Claude Code. This installs 15 HyperFrames skills. It runs a health check after. If anything is missing, it tells you what to install. Say yes, it handles it. Now the Assets folder. You need 3 to 5 product photos, a product description document, a voiceover MP3, your logo as a PNG, and a background music track. For the voiceover, 11 labs, free account, no card required. Pick a voice, paste your script, generate, download. 2 minutes. For Jack's bomber jacket, I wrote a story-based script, not a feature list. Features appear as text overlays. The voiceover carries the narrative. Drop the MP3 in the Assets folder. For scene images, I'm using 3 AI-generated lifestyle shots. Male model, bomber jacket, 3 environments. If you're selling a real product, use your own photos. Phone camera, natural light. Higgsfield animates whatever you give it. Name them 1.jpg, 2.jpg, 3.jpg in the order you want them to appear. Image 1 is your opening shot. Image 2 is your middle. Image 3 is your close. You control the story by controlling the sequence. The pipeline counts images automatically. 3, 5, 10. It adapts. Now the config file. Open it in any text editor. Brand name, website, leave it blank, and the pipeline skips the website card. Logo file name, music file, product name, price, key details for the screen. Description document file name, voiceover file, and duration in seconds. Your media player shows this when you open the MP3. Video settings, aspect ratio, Higgsfield model, clip length, camera style, text position, logo position, transitions. Save it. That is the only file you edit for this product. Next product, update 4 lines. That is it. If you're finding value in this, subscribe. I publish a new system every week. This series alone covers 3 complete pipelines for a one-person operation. Now type exactly this. Generate the ad. Claude Code reads the config first, echoes everything back: brand name, product name, file paths, settings. You confirm before a single credit is spent. Then it reads the description document, extracts the product details, and checks the voiceover file. It reads the actual duration from the file itself. If there's a timing gap between your footage and your voiceover, it catches it here and tells you what to fix. You don't discover this after rendering. Then, Higgsfield. Scene 1, generating, file confirmed. Scene 2, confirmed. Scene 3, confirmed. One at a time. If Scene 2 fails, credits stop. You fix that one scene, the other 2 are already saved. Each scene takes 2 to 4 minutes. Good time for a coffee. Now, HyperFrames assembles the final video. Flash cut transitions, film grain overlay, GSAP text animations, voiceover and music mix, renders the final MP4. First attempt, you may hit small, unexpected results. Just describe the problem to Claude Code in plain language. My first run, the music was too loud over the voiceover. I told Claude, fixed immediately. And here's my favorite part. Once you explain an issue, Claude saves it into the project memory. Next run, it doesn't repeat the mistake. It gets better every time you use it.
Some jackets you wear once and forget. This one becomes part of how you move through the world. Morning coffee, long day at the office, evening out with no time to change. Whatever the day throws at you, you're ready. Anchor and Oak.
That is a cinematic product ad. Professional voiceover, branded typography, animated text, film grain, flash cuts, logo hold at the end. Now, here's the part that changes how you think about this. Look inside the Claude.md. 8 steps. Higgsfield generation logic. HyperFrames composition rules. Text timing. QC checklist. But steps 1, 2, and 7, that's where it reads the description document, structures the script, and sets the text overlays. That is the only part that knows this is a product ad. Everything else is just video engine. So I uploaded this Claude.md to Claude Chat with one instruction. Keep the entire pipeline exactly as it is, change only the content sections for music promo videos. 30 seconds. New Claude.md. Same pipeline, different video type. If the config also needs updating, upload both files. It adapts them together in one pass. The starter pack is in the pinned comment. Free download. Everything you need to run this today. Jack's dashboard was video 1. Automated listings were video 2. This is video 3. Next video, competitor research, fully automated, running without you. Subscribe if you want to see that.